According to the American Academy of Ophthalmology, there are about 24.4 million people at the age above 40 that have cataracts, only in America. Obviously, anyone would like to know how to remove a cataract naturally, so here you will learn one alternative treatment that will help you do that. Even though cataracts is more common in older people, recently there are more and more young people diagnosed with this condition due to their improper diet and unhealthy lifestyle, including smoking. This degenerative eye condition occurs mostly as a result of oxidative or free radical damage. In fact, it is the clouding in the eye lens which causes blurry and poor vision, especially at night. Over time, cataracts can even lead to blindness. According to scientists, low levels of antioxidants in the body increases the risk of cataracts. However, you can delay and avoid cataract surgery by keeping your glutathione levels high. Glutathione is the most important antioxidant in the body. Therefore, any food rich in antioxidants can help treat cataracts and other vision problems. How to remove a cataract without a surgery? Even though surgery continues to be the most efficient way to remove cataracts at an advanced stage, there are some natural ingredients that can dissolve in early-stage cataracts. One such ingredient is castor oil. Besides eliminating cataracts, it is also great for treating near and far-sightedness, conjunctivitis, age-related macular degeneration, and dry eyes. Once you realize that oxidation is the main cause of many eye problems, consuming more antioxidant-rich foods makes sense. Holistic health practitioners knew about this decades ago. They've used the antioxidant-rich castor oil to improve the vision, reverse cataracts, and for many other health problems. However, make sure you use the right type to prevent harming your eyes and vision in any way. The right type of castor oil for dissolving cataracts: use 100% pure, cold-pressed, organic, hexane-free castor oil, preferably one of those which come in dark glass bottles with an included drop applicator. When and how to use this oil to improve vision. Put 1 drop of your pure, organic castor oil into the affected eye, once per day. It's best to do this before bedtime since the oil can make your vision a bit blurry. Therefore, apply the oil drops, close your eyes and let the oil do its magic during the night. The next morning you may find crusts at the corners of your eyes due to the calcification and other matters that have dissolved throughout the night. You need to eliminate them by washing your eyes with clean water. Easy step-by-step method to improve your eyesight naturally. A lot of people who've tried this natural treatment say their vision has significantly improved even after the first application. What's more, their vision kept improving after each application. Do the treatment 3 nights in a row, and if you don't notice any improvement in your eyesight, stop doing it. Even though this type of castor oil is harmless, it might not suit your eye issue. The results will mainly depend on your individual eye condition. Some say this treatment helped them restore their vision within few weeks, and others say it took them up to 3 months.